Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A96, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should get the application flow from the Play Store. So open the app here and enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just click here to open. Tap to enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, tap to activate and go back. Here click to the switch input method and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now you can see that the process is finished, and we'll go somewhere, for example here into the app search, just to see the look of our new device keyboard. And as can you see, this keyboard is also close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So as can you see, that's really simple. And thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.